This is purely because I love these shots. I think they're super cool. But as of today, LVMH is now going, or has been announced as the new, I don't know, luxury partner, whatever you want to call them. Whereas Rolex was before, supposedly. Now we have this. And as I look it up, they are, I guess, a conglomerate brand. Christian Dior, Louis Vuitton, um, Fendi, Hennessy, Belvedere. So like just, expensive brands. And it's kind of cool, but also it sucks because these shots are so cool. And who knows? I mean, Rolex might still be in there. I don't think LVMH has a watch brand unless I missed it. But these are just kind of I just thought they were kind of cool shots. And this means what, a 10-year deal. We're talking massive amounts of money. And this goes straight into F1 just being the pinnacle of speed and luxury and one of those funny things. But we'll see how it goes. Um, Obviously, you just gotta be what do they win now? What's the big thing that everyone's gonna be showing off? And kind of the funny thing that Lewis Hamilton is a ambassador for Christian Dior and a guest designer or however you want to say it for menswear. So we'll see how this goes. I mean, obviously, massive amounts of money. We're not gonna be worried about F1 falling on its face anytime soon. But I just thought all these kind of crown shots are super cool and I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. Would you rather Rolex or Dior or whatever the other brand as a, you know, somebody giving you money? But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.